What's up people, it's Ross Vader back once again. Today I'm going to be diving into how to make some lo-fi music. You know, that mellow, nostalgic, warped sounding vibe? Perfect for studying, relaxing, or just zoning out? It's quite literally the opposite of my drum and bass, hardcore, and jungle music that I've shown on this channel. When I'm struggling creatively, I sometimes try a completely different style to help with my writer's block. Whether you're brand new to music production or just looking to getting into some lo-fi, I've got you covered with some basic tips and tricks on how to get that lo-fi sound with the help of a few key VSTs. Let's get into it. Alright, let's break a few things down. Let's start with the chord progression. So we kicked it off with a F minor ninth, into a C minor ninth, back to F minor ninth, then an E flat major seventh, F minor ninth once again, into a G minor ninth, A flat major 7, and a C sharp major 7. And this is what that sounds like. And we're using the Electric Vibes preset out of the Pure Lo-Fi, so part of V collection number 11. Very cool. To add to that, we had another instance of Pure Lo-Fi. So this one is the Faraway Thoughts, and it's just a simple kind of downward up following the chord progression, and then we wrote this bass line as well, and for that we are using the Ambassador sample in the bass section. So here's what all that sounds like. Alright, we've got a couple of melody pieces. So for one of the melodies, we used augmented voices out of V collection 11, and we automated that morph knob. So it sounds like this. Another one from V collection 11. This is the new augmented mallets in the marimba rain stick preset. Here's that saxophone sample. With that synth wider from the Valhalla Supermassive, and then we add in another Pure Lo-Fi pastel flutes. Alright, let's talk drums. So we've got this lo-fi drum loop from Somatics. Somatics do a bunch of sample packs, so usually kind of pick up some free ones, especially for styles that you don't typically make, like lo-fi. Just layer that. So a couple of top loops here. A hi-hat loop is probably more suited to trap music, but I thought it fit pretty nicely here. And then this one was a percussion loop, which reminded me a lot of Aphex Twins Alberto Basalm, one of my favorite songs. Check it out. Added these in for a little rap element. More Valhalla on those. Last little thing we've done is put iZotope's vinyl over the whole thing, set it to kind of 1980, lo-fi, a little bit of wear, a lot of dust and a lot of warp, and it goes like this.
Ain't nothing personal. Hey.